So from the gate, so probably mga 20 meters, makita nimo ning main hall, no, or hundo sa Banaji Temple. So kini siya is actually a national treasure. Nag-symbolize ni siya sa itawag og spiritual og historical roots sa powerful nga Ashikaga samurai clan. No, so actually private ni siya nga Buddhist hall during sa times ni Ashikaga Yoshikane, no, mga 1197 guys. Ohayo gozaimasu, konnichiwa mga kotobos. So right now we are here in Tochigi, particularly sa Ashikaga. Kining area is full of shops, no, mga souvenir shops. So proceed sa unahan guys. Okay, so may map pa guys. Then this is nandito yung station, no? 88.3. Then wine shop. Okay. So as we get closer guys, in front of us is actually a gate going to Banaji Temple. Banaji. So Banaji Temple is one of the kanang historical landmarks or tourist attractions there is sa Ashikaga Tochigi. So yeah, wow, dagkos carp. So carp or koi, yung nagkuyo na dere yung mga pokpi. Oh, ito ka-inlove tayo guys. Okay, from left corner all the way na ni siya guys dito sa right, you can see this kanang kuan guys, moat. Actually moat is a castle defense, no? So trench ni siya sa mga forts. So usually sa mga Japanese na mga castles or fort, you will find this kanang moat, no? Deep wide nga ditch around the castle. Okay, kini siyang Banaji Temple where we'll go inside. It's not only an ordinary temple. Okay, kini siya is actually a residence, no? Residence of the Ashikaga clan, which we'll discuss later guys. So this is a 40 hectare. So imagine 40 hectare ni siya nga fortress. Dako kini siya. So no wonder nani siyang moat. We'll proceed inside sa Banaji Temple. Okay guys. So from this point, no, so we'll do the bow. Okay. Then let's go inside. Wow. Tapos yung mga pangis pa yung ceiling. Then in this area, so at the far center, no, nakay makita dito ng mga ducks. Oh, nice. So this wooden structure stands now as a historical landmark. So usually in every kanang mga shrines or temples na moon or gates na sama ani. Oh, so hindi na ito maklaro, no, but na ay wooden structure there is sa left, na po there is sa right. So they are called guardians, no, sa kining mga temples, no, especially like these temples na ito ang lisod lang karon. So na ay mga concrete pavements nga ito karon gilakwan all the way na siya dito sa main hall. So muna ang main hall sa Banaji Temple. So at the left side sa Banaji Temple, before going sa main hall, so makita natin ning mga descriptions there, no? Example, ang main temple was built during the Kamakura era, no, 1196 by Ashikaga Yoshikane. So ang main temple dedicate ni ngadto ni Dainichi Nyorai. So actually this place is Zen Buddhism nga kuan na area, no. Before going sa main hall, you'll find some kanang mga writings, no, sa tablets. There is a left side. Unfortunately, di takabasa sa kanji, no. So let's get closer, guys. Ini usa sa mga statue dere. Actually this is a Buddhist monk, I suppose. And yeah, help me translate. Ini siyang icon. Later we'll post ato ang video, no, ang exact name ning Buddhist monk. So we'll go closer, no, sa Banaji Temple. And sa left o sa right, you'll find this kanang lanterns, no. And then what amazes me is there is a left side na dako yung kahoy. No, actually kini nga kahoy, I'm not sure if you can find this one sa Philippines, but this is a naphthalene tree. No, naphthalene siya, naphthalene na. Di ba? Amazing kayo guys, naphthalene tree. Okay. Wow. Grabe nindot ta. Mo nang main hall, guys. Then on the left side sa main hall, makita nato ning pagoda. Then also this big icho or ginkgo tree. Okay? But before ta ma-proceed dito, ato po ning ipakita diri ang kining ilang gitawag og chusuya. So chusuya. Okay. This is actually for cleansing. So before ka mo proceed dito sa kanang main hall, first is magwash ka sa imong hands for cleansing and purification, no. So actually pwede ni siya ilimugmog, no, pero dili siya pwede imnon, no. So and many temples including dito sa Asakusa, you'll find this one. Sa Asakusa there nagline ang mga people for cleansing before mo proceed sa main hall. Okay, so that's the main hall, guys. Later we'll go closer sa main hall. Wow, amazing guys. So yes. Niga. What's the structure, guys? This is the pagoda. Guys, you can never find any other pagoda like this, no, sa Japan. Kay this is unique sa kining place. Wow. Then left side sa pagoda, guys, is you'll find the momiji. The momiji is actually a Japanese maple, no. So unlike sa Canadian maple nga dagko siya dahon, this momiji is kanang gagmay siya, cute kay siya, napagi mas gagmay pa ni nga dahon, guys. And on the right side is this towering ginkgo tree or icho sa Japanese. And because this time of year is summer, so mo nang green kaayo, no. So mga 22 meters high. Ako guys, this is about mga 8 to 10 meters ang iyahang diameter. 8 to 10 meters. So makawaw kayo guys. Ooh, diba? So this is a national monument. No, kay ang ginkgo tree is also called a marriage tree. No, kay symbol ni siya, no? And this tree in particular, no, mga 600 years old or 6 centuries na ni siya nga tree. No, so kakita mo nga nag-split siya, no, into two. So muna nga mura siya marriage tree. Wow, ngiga. So we go farther back na kay para makita ninyo ang beauty sa kining ginkgo tree. Ooh. And by the way, kining ginkgo tree guys, is during fall or autumn, mo golden yellow ni siya ang iyahang dahon, no? So the ginkgo tree and the kanang maple and all the other kanang trees around, no, so mo yellow, mo red, so nindot kini siya nga area, and no wonder daghan ang mga mo visit diri during November kay peak niya siya sa kanang pag-turn o golden yellow sa dahon ng ginkgo tree. Actually this is guys, this is a sutra library. They call this in Japanese as kyudo. No, then unfortunately because of the guys, kining distractions ba sa hall sa kining kyudo, kining sutra library, nindot ang tanong ang attractions kining kilid niya, kining sakura or cherry blossom po. Unfortunately makaguba magpud siya sa kining mga building. On the left side guys, may usa sa mga attractions sa family. You will find this kanang park, no, so nice kay guys, may park diri sa kini nga compound, no, so Ashikaga clan residence, so na park diri guys. And here during kanang mga most likely weekend, no, so ari diri ang mga kiddos, no, ang family magbanding sila guys, no. And also this place serves as a haven sa mga crows or mga uwak. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, there. Tingnan kayo mga kiddos diri guys. So typical ni siya nga mga playground sa mga Japanese, no. You can find something like this kanang hill, then pwede ka mo pandi kat then mga swings, slides there guys. Itorta mo dali sa kanang ilahang playground, no. Wow, tingnan kayo mga bata na. Oh, kini sa kat po dali. Oh, okay kayo. Oh, dali guys. Wow. Muna ang kyudo. Then on the left side is the main hall. So we'll proceed sa main hall guys. This is one of the perks of our work there sa Japan, kay we get to see kanang mga places ba. And if there are places nga something like this, no, so di kinako na pa sa iloon guys. So I immediately took some time of going around and try to check and see the beauty of the monuments or landmarks, mga heritage sites here in Japan. Yeah, so this is a very good konnichiwa Ohio, good morning sa tanan. Oh. So here stood this mighty main hall or hundo sa Hinapon pa, no? And we'll try to observe so from the gate, so probably mga 20 meters makita nimo ning main hall, no, or hundo sa Banaji Temple. So kini siya is actually a national treasure, then nag-symbolize ni siya sa gitawag og spiritual og historical roots sa powerful nga Ashikaga samurai clan, no? So actually private ni siya nga Buddhist hall during sa times ni Ashikaga Yoshikane, no, mga 1197 guys. It serves as the central sanctuary, no, for the worship of Dainichi Nyurai, no. So we'll bow here, then proceed ta. So Dainichi Nyurai guys, unya during those times kini siyang main hall serves as the kanang principal image guys, no. So actually Dainichi Nyurai guys is the cosmic Buddha, no, guardian na siya sa Ashikaga clan. Then sanctuary ni siya, a family temple, and also the real altars, no, hold the statues of the foundational religious figures, including si Kubo Daishi o founder nga si Ashikaga Yoshikane. So yeah, dako kini siya nga hall, no. Wow. Okay, so we cannot go farther kay this is a sacred ground, no, sacred temple ni siya. So there you have it guys. So makita na to ang main hall sa Banaji Temple. Then actually this whole complex guys, this whole complex niya makita dari is a residence, no, residence niya sa kining Ashikaga family. So the Ashikaga family ruled sometime in the 13th century. So yeah, they do get 13th century, that was 8 centuries ago, no. Then they are this kanang powerful nga samurai clan, so they are the kanang warriors, no, the protectors there is sa Japan. And in fact this Ashikaga is one of those prominent nga kanang capital, the old capital of Japan. Now we all know nga Tokyo is the capital and beforehand is the Kyoto, but you'll find it here there is a Tochigi. In fact from here an hour drive away, so makita na to ang Toshogo, no, or ang lubnganan ni Tokugawa Ieyasu. So the Ashikaga clan is actually a prominent figures there sa Japan, and they were ruling during those times sa Ashikaga Muromachi period, no. So yeah, that is quite a big kanang heavy historical data na ato ang retrieve. But yeah, dili kita well versed na, but very interesting lang jud ang history sa Japan. So I like history. From here, atong i-check ning usa ka amazing structure guys. Yeah. Nice kani siya nga kuan diri. Oy, nagkaog simi ay. Simi or sikada. Nasi kabisihan nga sikada guys. Langgam. Okay. So proceed tayo guys, tanaw na to diri ang kining structure nga na address ka. Sayang no? Sayang ang sakura nga dead ball na siya no. Wow. So actually kini siya guys is the bell tower. No, so makita na to diha sa iyahang kuan upper chamber no is the bell. So normally kung na yung mga ceremonies manggod ang temple, so this bell is rung to signify the start or the end sa activities. No, this was built on the 7th month of 1196. Wow, 1196. And around sa bell is ini Momiji. Wow. Diba? Hindi ka sa structure eh. Kita na tayo. So, right side ni siya sa kuan guys. Right side ni siya sa main hall. And because dako kay siya nga area guys, we cannot cover kanang kuan. Anang this whole area. But I'll show you some of these kanang kuan. Interesting pud kaayo nga portion diri sa kuan temple, sa Banatji temple. Right there makita na to ang ilahang canteen or actually food shop. But yes, close ta karon no kay ayo pa kaayo. So this is on the left side sa kining one part, and on the right side is the pagoda. Pagoda guys. And here is the ground. Ohayozaimasu. So I suppose this area is used for kanang activities inside. No, so kanama sa stage dere guys. And surely this side so na another magnificent o dako kay sa nga kuan pod kining icho or ginkgo tree. Okay, then the playground is there, the kyodo, then the pagoda. Makita din sa tubangan no? This is the main hall or hundo sa Japanese. Then that's the gate. So approaching the exit sa kining Banatji temple guys. Okay. Yes. The moat here. Then we'll take our leave. Okay guys, so what's interesting is on the kanang kuan ba? Mga 10 meters away. So diri mi nagstay. This is the hotel, Hotel Wakasa. Wow. So from the hotel, tubangan na dyan kayo guys ang compound sa Ashikaga. So to wrap things up, no, so as early as today, no, 6 AM, we go outside, then we visit this amazing Banatji temple, then we have some kanang conversations with you, actually describing this place as best as we can. Okay, this is a typical Japanese place, and the adventure that we have is as nice as everyone visit there. This is amazing guys. This period of time is summer, so green kayo. When you visit this place during fall or mga late November, you'll find this place so amazing kay ang foliage. No, ang icho will turn into golden yellow, then the momiji turns red, brown, orange. So very amazing place guys. So that's all for today. So God bless guys. Yeah, don't forget like, share, subscribe. No, like, share, subscribe, and that's all for today. Ciao.